Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be trying the cracked ice nail effect, along with my new glow in the dark polishes from Hydralynx. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a generous layer of hard gel underneath a clear nail. When I was done, I set it aside without curing it. Now I'm going to take some plastic wrap and cut a piece to go over the uncured gel. I'm glad this brand had the cutting bar, because it would have been a mess without it. Once I placed the plastic wrap, I used my fingers and a dotting tool to scrunch it up and make the cracks. I tried not to do too much because then it ruins the effect. After curing, I removed plastic wrap and this was the result. Finally, I decided to do a simple Christmas tree design using my glow in the dark polishes. For the snow on the tree, I used a white Beetles gel polish and a clear acrylic I mixed with glitter. Here is the final result. And here's the glow in the dark effect. Thank you so much for watching.